Hi Casper. We need to cut the grass, don't we? You ready? Casper! Doesn't eat it. That's where the greenhouse is going to go. We need to put some grass on. There's our leeks. This is curly curl we planted today. Purple curly curl. That surprisingly hasn't got caterpillars on yet. Don't stand on them. And this is our tayberry we've put on the fence, so we can share it with next door. It's gooseberries and strawberries that we need to weed. And this is the brassica bed where the caterpillars have eaten everything, as you can see.
The bed of sacrifice.
But I've took all the leaves off today and weeded it.
Well, caterpillars have to eat too.
Yeah, they've ate everything. There's some more kale.
Look at them holding their heads up.
January king cabbages. That's where I've moved the compost bin. Some more cosmos. And sweet corn. There's a pumpkin in there somewhere.
Wow, that's your watermelon.
Oh, look at that one.
Oh,
Something there. And this is where we let the chickens out sometimes.
okay.
That's where the polytunnel's gonna go.
He's doing the chicken's jobs. He's eating the grass.
That's what that looks like now for future reference.
He's making the chickens jealous.
This is the chickens.
This is where you're eating it, but you don't.
And that was the dust bath I made them, which they didn't use. So they've got that now.
I just walked into a cupboard. To my arm. That's okay. Oh, there's something pink.
We need to need food for them. Just put it on the bathroom.